Hey there, chart friends. Lamont here from JKS, checking in on the solar sector. So, starting off with 10 sector ETF, we are looking out for this potential base area to be tested again and the bottom of this channel support. While we are scouting bulls I should say, are scouting a daily higher low, anything over 64.48 being one. Alright, so we did not get into the short target today. The hourly chart didn't see any bounce, so did not get into the short target that we were looking for. However, price just kind of collapsed. It just headed right for the accumulation zone today, and from the top of that fill zone offered a little bit of range to sell some position if you so chose, and lower your cost basis. Even if you decide to scale down lower, it still lowers your cost basis of this initial scale. So just a de-risking tactic if you so choose, which I do suggest. I do like it. Okay, so in the zone of interest now, looking for that daily higher low. Hourly got oversold today, could get oversold again into that zone. Let's see. Pretty laggy. So yeah, if we were to get that second fill, the hourly would get extended again. Hourly RSI would get extended again, and we would come down to test the lower end of this range. So this trade is still live, in my opinion. It's still a fairly reasonable setup, even if we see lower tomorrow. Okay, however, hourly trend is bearish with this little hourly lower high to lower lows. We set another lower high today, but bears did not break to lower lows, so the bulls do have a chance to save it today. Maybe they'll defend this previous channel's median line, hold this low here of 71.21 and break to a higher high over 72.56 to change this hourly trend and have us confident that that daily higher low has been set at 70.40. And the range is so high that should this daily low be set here, we would just be scouting a daily lower high under 80.86. Oops. Okay, so JKS also looking for a daily higher low, anything over 55.82 being one. Did not quite get into our trade zone, or the trade zone I should say, laid out the other day. Hourly time frame also did not get into our short zone, and we also missed the long zone. How unfortunate. So missed our zone of interest by a bit, but who knows? For all we know, we see some more downside tomorrow. If that's the case, then I would like to adjust these zones just a bit so that the hourly would be extended again. Just want to make sure that I'm always scaling in with RSI extremity at my back. And then I would be fairly confident that if this channel were to hold, that we can get another median line test. So new trade adjusted for the day. I mean for tomorrow. And we're still watching anything over 55.82 will be a daily higher low, but I'm not opposed to this trade. Just looking for potentially a break with very little follow through, just like these breaks over here. If this is a daily higher low, we will be looking for a daily lower high under 80.99 on the hourly time frame. We have not changed the hourly trend, but the bulls did show defense at the end of the day by holding the low of day. 59.40 is the key short-term support. Tomorrow, if the bulls can hold 59.40 and break 62.40, that'll change the hourly trend, and we'll be confident that the daily higher low has been set at 58.87 and have us looking for that daily lower high. And for that lower high, I like something like this. Okay, so let's see. We want to make sure hourly is overbought. We want to make sure that we are coming up on some price action resistances. Just taking those closes. I see there's some more activity here. All right. That's after hours, so I'm going to care a little bit less about that. I'm going to just focus on there. Okay, so as long as we get hourly overbought into this area, I like something like that. Okay, the ORA is honestly not that great. 2 to 1 for something like this, and you'd be looking for a median line test. So let's see. It's not bad. Not bad. We'll see how that goes. Run. Okay, run. It looks like this trade played out in after hours, unfortunately. So we did get, I don't know. It's tricky. It's not a lot of volume in after hours, but the setup was there. We did get this hourly lower high that was set. Would have got 2 fills and hit the target right away. Unfortunately, I didn't capture it because that was at 4 in the morning. I don't even know if brokers, I don't think anybody trades them. Anyway. Run is also looking for a daily high or low. Anything over 49.21 will be one. Hourly trend is bearish. Tomorrow, if the bulls can show up and defend this low of 53.02 and break to a higher high over 54.58, they'll have changed that hourly trend and have us confidence that that daily high or low has been set at 52.26. If we were to see lower, I'd be interested down here. I actually don't even remember when these were drawn. Okay. All right, so those are the levels of interest. There's this previous congestion area here, so something like that wouldn't be a terrible thing, I suppose. Not a terrible trade, not a bad trade. Yep, just looking for some hourly bounce. And if we were to get this low at that point, would we be looking for daily lower highs? We certainly would. Even if we were to bounce from here, the daily lower high under 61.24 is likely. All right, FSLR. Wait a second. Let's see. Yep. FSLR. Okay, so FSLR also looking for a daily high or low. Anything over, let me clean this up. Anything over 77.77 will be a daily high or low. We are not yet confident in this low here of 86.05 being our daily high or low. I'm sorry, of 79.78 being our daily high or low because we did not change the hourly trend going into the end of the day either. So a bit of a weak bounce. Hourly didn't actually, oh, just got barely oversold here. So let's see. If we were to look lower, let's mark off some puts. Oh, okay, they're already marked. Ah, yes. So again, it did not enter our short zone. Another name that didn't enter our short zone. But now is in our zone of interest, and if it were to get lower, I don't hate this. This trade is still live, in my opinion. It's on the top of the accumulation zone. Gave a little bit of range for some profit taking if you so decided to, if you so chose. And let's see. Yep, we're just looking for this potential channel to hold. Right? And if this channel were to hold, we will be looking for a daily lower high under 95.72. Don't hate it. Lug. Okay, so unfortunately, this is another one that it played out in after hours, got this one fill, double bottom at that one fill, and then hit the target. Unfortunate. Oh, actually, this trade played. Oh, wow! Actually, played out completely in regular trading hours as well. See if. Oh. Okay, so I mean, you didn't have the hourly oversold conditions, but you definitely had 5-minute oversold conditions. So if you're looking for an hourly pivot, 5-minute oversold conditions is good enough, yes. And then actually over here, you also have some divergence. You have some slight bullish divergence here, where RSI makes a bit of a higher low there, and price made a lower low from here to here. Okay, so see. Yep, just a nice channel hold. And did you hit target? Did not hit target, came short of target during the regular trading hours. And now this channel is being threatened. And I guess suppose if you want to use the full range. Okay, so that's actually not bad. We got 2 hits down there. And I like that the deviation band gets tagged. Okay, so Okay, so we're looking for this channel to hold. Ideally, what bulls will do tomorrow is come, step in, hold 1990, break 2085, change this hourly trend to have the plug bulls see some more daily bounce follow through. But even if we just get another inside bar day tomorrow, the plug bulls will be happy with that, in my opinion. Bears can be top fishing as well. Bears can be top fishing in hourly, in 5-minute overbought conditions, something like that. Remember to adjust the levels for trading day, something like that perhaps, and then maybe look for a channel test again, or maybe even a breakdown. Maybe potentially, if we just get to a median line from here, it has the potential to reject hard, right? And the more time that we spend grinding this channel support, the more likely it becomes that we break it. So yeah, just in this, we're in this tightening EQ, right? We just have this tightening EQ now. So bears can be top fishing the range. So we're just expecting this tightening range, right? So bears can be top fishing the range, bulls can be bottom fishing the range. So if you're a bull, you probably already wanted to position, but you could be looking for positions again in 5-minute oversold conditions, looking for that hourly higher low. So we'll be a bit lower, maybe something like that. Okay, so something for everybody. Bulls and bears eating each other. I don't know. Well, I didn't have an analogy plan. Okay, so yeah, that about covers it. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you all soon.